Hi children, welcome back to the Maths class. Easy conceptual learning by Saujanya. Yes, so I think in the last video we have discussed about the trigonometry, the basic concepts, that is how all the trigonometric ratios are defined. Okay, and now let us go a little bit in detail and find the unknown value of numerical value in a right triangle. Okay, using this. Okay, now look here children. So as we have discussed previously, in a right triangle, if suppose we are if it is right angle that B and A and C are given and you are given the values of 4 and 3 for suppose, and you need to find the value of the third side of a triangle. Okay, when you need to find the value of the third side, that means how you have to find. See, usually first let us know for ourselves what is given here. Okay, so the given thing actually here is, the given is AB is equals to 4 and BC is equals to 3. Okay, this is units. Okay, 3 units and 4 units, right? But can you take these like units? No, we cannot take them like units. Why? Because all the trigonometric ratios are defined in the form of a ratio. That means, suppose if you take sine. Sine is defined as the ratio of the opposite side to its hypotenuse. Okay. In the similar manner, cos is defined as it is taken as a ratio of the adjacent side of a triangle to its hypotenuse. Okay, so you all know what do you mean by ratios. That means these two, if we have taken the opposite side, that means the opposite side to adjacent side is taken as a ratio of 4:3. Yes or no? Yes. Now this 4:3, you know, already know children, when any numbers, any numerical values are given as ratios, how will you write them? Yes. So if they are taken as ratios, you have to write them that the opposite side is equals to 4k and the adjacent side is equals to 3k. Okay, so why we are writing this constant, as these numbers are taken from ratios, you need to add a variable. Okay, because these ratios are in the simplest form. Okay, so in the same way, when we take any numbers in the ratios, you need to add a common variable to them. Okay, in order to bring them into a normal numerical value. Okay, so the common thing is k here, and then after writing k, now how to find the hypotenuse? Which is the longest side for a triangle. So hypotenuse is equals to, according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. So do you know that? Yes. Yes, so we have discussed even about the Pythagoras theorem in the previous video. So in detail we are going to learn here how to find the value of an unknown in a triangle. So now hypotenuse square, that is what we have to find. So hypotenuse square is equals to, but what is hypotenuse here? AC, no? So instead of writing again hypotenuse, you can mention it as AC square is equals to, what is the opposite value children? 4k whole square plus 3k whole square. So did you understand the substitution here? 4k whole square plus 3k whole square. Now AC square is equals to, expand is 4k whole square. Children, I know you all know how to do squaring, but still it's my duty once to remind you all the basic thing. So 4k whole square means, I can suggest you only one thing. Those who are not able to multiply these with the variables, first you have to do the numerical, first sign multiplication. When they are like this, first is the sign multiplication, both are having plus, so the answer is also in plus. Then I will go for the numeric multiplication. Okay, numerical multiplication, 4 into 4 it becomes 16, and then the variable multiplication, k into k gives you k square. So this is how you get the right answer when you multiply two numbers, that means which have variables with them. Okay, so that makes you easy So once again I am telling this one, when any two numbers, that means numerical values along with its variables have to be multiplied, first and foremost thing, 3 steps I will follow. So it is, if it is easy for you, you can follow it. So first I do is sign multiplication, because some of the variables may have negative symbol, some of them may have positive symbol. Okay, so as this is the same number is written as a square here, we have the similar symbol. But when you are multiplying different numbers, you will have different symbols, yes or no? So it is easy that for anything I will use the same method. That means any same procedure for all the things. So I will do sign multiplication, and after that numerical multiplication, and then variable multiplication, which makes my answer more perfect. Is that clear, children? Yes. So now going to this one, 4k square is nothing but 16k square plus this becomes 9k square. As we have the same numbers, same variable with the same power, so you can add them. So 16 plus 9 gives you 25k square, which is AC square. AC square is equals to 25, yes, k square, and this AC, when the square goes to the other side, it becomes square root of 25k square. As 25 is a square number, it can easily come out of the square, yes or no? 25, how can you write 25? 5 into 5. So 5 into 5, so 1 5 comes out. When any number is repeated for 2 times in the square root, you can bring them out once, yes or no? Yes, did you recollect that? Yes. Now k square, so 1k comes out. So what is the side of AC? It is nothing but 5k. So this is 4k and this is 3k. So did you understand how to find the unknown in the third one? Yes, children? Yes. So 5k. And now for the same problem, let us all write the trigonometric ratios for this one. Okay, if you are asked to write all the remaining trigonometric ratios, let us write all the trigonometric ratios depending on this triangle. Okay, so do you remember all the trigonometric ratios, children? Yes. What are they? Yes. So let us once recall all the trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, yes, cosec, secant and cot. Is that clear, children? Yes. Now first write the formula, that is how the signs, these ratios are defined. First write that one. So sine is defined how? Yes, it is defined according to its formula only, that is the ratio of the opposite and its hypotenuse. So sine is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, and cos is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan is equals to opposite by adjacent. Cosec is equals to hypotenuse by opposite. Okay, so secant is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent, and cot is equals to adjacent by opposite. So this is how you write all the trigonometric ratios. Yes. Now start writing from the triangle what is the value of sine here. Okay, what is the value of sine here? Tell me opposite. What is the opposite side here? Yes, I already told you. Once again I am telling you, because so many of you, as these are the new topics, you may get confused which is opposite and which is adjacent. Okay, so I tell you only one thing strongly: the longest side is the hypotenuse, and the side which is opposite to hypotenuse, we tell it as opposite, and the other side is a adjacent. Is that clear, children? Yes. Now opposite. Opposite means what? 4k by hypotenuse 5k. So if these k's, if both the constants get cancelled, what is the ratio? 4:5. That means 4 by 5. Now come on, cos. Similar manner, adjacent. 3k by 5k is equal to, if you cancel them, it becomes 3 by 5. Yes. Next, writing tan. Opposite. 4k by 3k. That is k will get cancelled. It will become 4 by 3. Yes. Cosec. How you write cosec? Hypotenuse. That is 5k by 4k. It becomes 5 by 4. Is this the reciprocal of your sine? Yes. Now, coming to this one. Hypotenuse. That means 5k by adjacent. 3k. So, it becomes 5 by 3. Is this the reciprocal for your cosec? Okay, cos. Yes. So this is the reciprocal. Secant is a reciprocal for cos. Next, coming to the cot. 3k by 4k. So if you cancel them, you'll be getting 3 by 4. Yes or no? Is this the reciprocal for your tan? Yes. This is how you find the trigonometric ratios from a triangle. Okay. First thing is you should find the unknown side of the triangle using Pythagoras theorem, and then you should write all the trigonometric ratios. Okay. Write them along with the formulas whenever you write, children. Why? Because the way you write, it should be very expressive when you're writing your 10th paper. So please start, you learn how to attempt each and every question right from the beginning itself. Don't make it a thing like you can study at the end. Okay, so learn from the beginning itself how you have to present a question there. Okay, is that clear, children? Yes. Thank you for watching, children. Please share, like and subscribe.